So the trial of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp is still continuing, and now according to the BBC, Amber Heard says, quote, "It's easy to forget that I am a human being." So Amber Heard says she felt humiliated and had faced hundreds of daily threats after testifying at Johnny Depp's trial against her. Speaking on the final day of the trial before closing statements, the actress said, "Perhaps it's easy to forget, but I am a human being." Mr. Depp is suing Ms. Heard over an article she wrote in which she said she was the victim of abuse. He has repeatedly denied her claims. Over more than a month of testimony, jurors have been presented with starkly different versions of incidents that took place throughout the couple's troubled 2 years together. Both actors accused the other of being the aggressor in the relationship and have called witnesses to testify on their behalf. A number of the witnesses called by Mr. Depp's team have directly contradicted Ms. Heard's claims. So it's really crazy when you listen to what was actually said during the trial. It appears that Amber Heard was the one assaulting Johnny Depp, and Johnny Depp was just trying to get away from her and avoid escalations. So it's really crazy that he's painted as the villain, and that he was painted as the villain in this whole issue. And it's the story of that so many men face. As soon as there's an accusation, the man is the criminal. He's guilty. He's presumed guilty until he proves himself innocent somehow. And even if he is innocent, he might have lost his job. He might lose out, in Johnny Depp's case, on film roles and stuff like that. So it's really terrible. It's a very dangerous situation for men, in the world. So let's continue. So Miss Heard's testimony on Wednesday also led to a tense exchange with Camille Vasquez, Mr. Depp's now viral lawyer, over an image of spilled wine. It is one of several pictures Miss Heard has presented allegedly from a huge fight the couple had in 2016, which ended with Mr. Depp assaulting her. At one point, Ms. Heard turned to jurors and claimed the photos had been redacted or edited by Mr. Depp's lawyers to benefit her ex-husband's case. She said, "I'd appreciate if you wouldn't be making arguments to the jury." No, that's what Ms. Vasquez said to Amber Heard. Throughout her testimony, Ms. Heard repeatedly denied accusations she was lying or misled jurors during the trial. Her testimony, she added, had led to hundreds of death threats on a daily basis and forced her to relieve the trauma of her marriage. She said, "This is horrible. This is humiliating for any human being to go through, and perhaps it's easy to forget, but I'm also a human being. As I stand here today, I can't have a career. I can't even have people associate with me because of the threats and the attacks that they will have to endure." Mr. Depp is suing Ms. Heard for $50 million for a 2018 comment article she wrote in the Washington Post in which she said she was the victim of abuse. While he wasn't named, his attorneys have said it incalculably damaged his career. She has countersued him for $100 million. Closing arguments will begin on Friday, followed by jury deliberations.